Good morning. Welcome to your daily operations weather briefing 8:15. We have some very dreary conditions out there this morning with fog and also some rain showers. Going to be seeing a cold front move through the area for later on this morning into the afternoon hours. It's going to give us a good chance of some showers and also some thunderstorms across the Wallops region. We currently do have some thunderstorms down near near Wakefield, Virginia, and also near Williamsport, Virginia. And that's going to be moving towards our region for this afternoon and giving us that better chance of thunderstorms, as we already are seeing some showers and also thunderstorms across the south and central portions of Virginia. Here's our infrared satellite as well as our surface analysis with our radar overlaid on that picture. We see a cold front that's still across the Ohio Valley. It's going to be moving towards our region this afternoon. We have a area of showers and thunderstorms I mentioned out in front of that cold front. It's going to be moving through our region for this morning into the early afternoon hours. We're actually going to have two areas of precipitation move through our region today. This first batch of showers and thunderstorms for later on this morning, and then we'll have a secondary development of possibilities from showers and thunderstorms for the early afternoon hours with the cold front actually moving through the region. Looking at our surface observations as well as our current radar and infrared satellite on this image here, we see we have some showers moving through the region. Temperatures are warming into the lower 50s across the Mid-Atlantic region along the coastline, and those areas inland from the coast are seeing the mid to upper 50s this morning with warmer air moving over the land comparatively here. Our Wallops are seeing that cooler ocean effect, giving us those little bit cooler temperatures as well as the fog across our region. Are seeing a little bit of reduction in that fog currently here at Wallops, but we'll be in and out of the fog through the morning into the early afternoon hours, especially these rain showers and possibility of a thunderstorm moving through the area. Looking at our HER model, this is our high resolution rapid refresh model. You can see here at 10 o'clock we have some showers and thunderstorms starting to move through. Looks like 11 o'clock the HER is painting a fairly good indication of some showers, possibly heavy, and also a possibility of a thunderstorm moving through the region at that time period. Most likely going to see a break after about after about 12 o'clock, maybe for about 30 minutes to an hour before we see another band of showers and possibility of a thunderstorm move through the region for about 1 or 2 o'clock. And after that point, we'll see any remaining showers just in the form of sprinkles and any of those heavier showers moving well east of the region for the afternoon evening hours. Currently, as of 8 a.m., we are seeing an overcast deck at 200 feet, 1 mile statute visibility with some light rain and mist and fog out there. Our wind is out of a 190 azimuth at 12 knots, temperature 50 degrees, and relative humidity at 93%. Looking at our risk chart for today, have an active weather day, especially for this morning into the early afternoon hours, and have a red for precip, from now till noon, and an orange for precip from noon till 1600 local. Orange for our chances of lightning in the region, looking at about a 45% chance of lightning from 10 o'clock till 1300 local. And then we'll have winds around 25 knots from now until noon, and then afternoon will look like the likely scenario. We'll have winds over 25 knots, so it could be going into wind advisory at any point this morning into the afternoon hours. And with those lower ceilings out there this morning, have a red for this morning for the ceilings and an orange for this afternoon with those showers moving through. Seeing a temperature today of a high of 62 degrees, so well above normal, about 15 to 20 degrees above normal across the Mid-Atlantic region today for our highs. And then tonight we'll see that colder air mass moving in from the west as high pressure builds in, a low of 37 degrees overnight tonight. And we're seeing our winds from the southwest this afternoon turning to the west-northwest and northwest overnight and becoming a little bit lighter for the overnight hours, about 5 to 10 knots. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we do have that overcast deck at 200 feet, 1 mile visibility with some rainfall out there. And I see a 10% chance of thunderstorms from now until 10 o'clock. And as I mentioned, after 10 o'clock, you can see that 45% chance of thunderstorms until 1300 local. I have a little bit of a better visibility and also sky coverage wise with our ceilings after 10 o'clock today. A possibility of seeing a ceiling moving up to about 1,000 feet during that time period from 10 to 1 o'clock. And after 1 o'clock, we'll continue that ceiling at 1,000 feet. Possibility of a shower moving through with that second band of precip, as I mentioned, a 20% chance of a thunderstorm. We move into the evening hours. I'm going to see skies becoming a few at 5,000 feet and a few at 7,000 feet, with a predominant sky cover early in the evening at broken at 5,000, broken at 7,000. Overnight, we'll just see our skies becoming mostly clear to partly cloudy. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Wednesday into Thursday, Wednesday will be partly cloudy and slightly breezy, a high of 46 degrees. Possibility we see winds near 25 knots during the afternoon hours with a northwesterly flow over the region. For our Wednesday night, looking at a little bit more seasonable type weather, still above normal for our low, but partly cloudy and cooler, a low of 28 degrees. And for Thursday, we'll see mostly sunny and slightly breezy winds. It'll be chillier on Thursday with a high of 41 degrees. Well, that's going to complete the A15 Daily Operations Weather Brief this morning. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.